Many people want to be financially independent, yet it's a desire that often stays out of reach. Even with the best of intentions and a lot of effort, certain financial behaviors may leave people stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial hardship. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the common money habits that may be keeping you poor and provide actionable strategies to break free from these patterns, paving the way towards true financial independence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. The illusion of income and lifestyle inflation. The earning illusion. The idea that having a larger salary always means having more financial stability is one of the myths that might cause financial difficulties. While having more money is obviously a good thing, it's also critical to handle that money well. The earning illusion is a delusion that leads people to overspend because they believe that a larger salary entitles them to a more opulent lifestyle. Lifestyle inflation. When expenditure rises in proportion to an increase in income, this is known as lifestyle inflation. This phenomena has the potential to be a major barrier to wealth accumulation. People give in to the temptation of improving their lifestyle, accumulating more costly belongings, or incurring more debt rather than conserving and investing the extra money. Strategies for overcoming the earning illusion and lifestyle inflation. Define specific and measurable financial objectives. Having well-defined financial objectives may provide a clear path forward. Setting objectives for your finances helps in prioritizing choices about emergency savings, debt repayment, and future investments. Make a realistic budget. Assemble a spending plan that fits your financial objectives and allows for investing and saving. This stops unintentionally raising living costs. Automate savings and investments. To guarantee that a percentage of your income is continually allocated towards accumulating wealth, despite spending temptations, set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. The debt trap. Normalization of debt. In the consumer-driven world of today, having debt has become the norm. Credit card debt, auto loans, and school loans are just a few examples of how many people see borrowing as a means of achieving their ideal lifestyle. But having too much debt may really get in the way of becoming financially independent. High-interest debt. Not all debt is made equally. Compound interest may cause high-interest debt, like credit card amounts, to rapidly become out of hand. Making minimal credit card payments might put you in a never-ending debt cycle and hinder your capacity to build money. Strategies for breaking free from the debt trap. Debt repayment strategy. Use a debt repayment plan, such as the avalanche or snowball approach, to gradually pay off high-interest bills first. Live below your means. You may devote more money to savings and debt reduction by embracing a lifestyle that permits you to live below your means. Speak with creditors about lower interest rate negotiations. Speak with creditors about lowering interest rates, particularly on high-interest debts. The process of paying off debt may be greatly accelerated by a lower interest rate. Impulse spending and mindless consumption. Impulse spending. One typical money behavior that might undermine financial well-being is impulsive spending. Long-term financial objectives may be hampered by giving in to the urge of instant satisfaction, whether it be for smaller, regular expenditures or bigger, unforeseen needs. Mindless consumption. Spending money without deliberate thinking or long-term repercussions in mind is known as mindless consumerism. This behavior is often the result of commercials, peer pressure, and the need to fit in with a certain lifestyle. Strategies for curbing impulse spending and mindless consumption. Establish a waiting time. Before making any non-essential purchases, establish a waiting time. This postponement minimizes the possibility of rash purchases and gives time for contemplation. Monitor and examine expenses. Keep a close eye on your spending habits to spot instances of careless spending. You may choose wisely where to spend your money when you are aware of your tendencies. Create a spending plan. Give your budget's discretionary categories explicit spending limits. This gives you the freedom to live a fulfilling life within your means. Lack of financial education and literacy. The importance of financial education. Developing financial literacy may be a major obstacle to wealth accumulation. People who lack a firm grasp of fundamental financial concepts like investing, debt management, and budgeting may make poor choices that prolong their financial difficulties. Financial illiteracy and decision-making. Bad decision-making, such as insufficient retirement planning, bad investment selections, and a failure to use accessible financial tools and resources, may result from a lack of financial literacy. Strategies for enhancing financial education. Constant learning. Make a commitment to continuing your knowledge in finance by reading books, going to seminars, and following respected financial professionals. Keep up with developments in the financial scene so you can modify your tactics appropriately. Make use of online resources. Make use of online resources such as blogs, educational platforms, and websites specializing in personal finance. Numerous respectable organizations provide free classes on investing, budgeting, and other financial subjects. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial specialists, such as financial consultants or certified financial planners, to obtain individualized recommendations based on your particular financial circumstances and objectives. Overlooking the importance of emergency savings. The significance of emergency savings. Financial stability may be swiftly undermined by an unforeseen cost, such as an automobile repair or medical emergency. In the absence of a substantial emergency fund, people can take out high-interest loans or sell their assets, jeopardizing their long-term financial stability. Insufficient emergency fund. One typical financial behavior that puts people in poverty is not setting aside money for emergencies and setting priorities. Financial losses might result from unforeseen situations in the absence of this safety net. Strategies for building and maintaining an emergency fund. Set a goal aim. Build up an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs. Adapt the goal to your own situation, taking into account factors like family size and employment stability. Automate contributions. Establish automatic payments to your emergency fund and treat it as a non-negotiable cost. This guarantees steady and methodical savings. Replenish after withdrawals. To preserve financial stability, make it a priority to replenish your emergency fund as quickly as possible if you must take cash from it. Underestimating the power of investments. Passive saving versus active investing. Although saving money is a crucial first step toward financial stability, accumulating wealth may be restricted if standard savings accounts are the only ones used. A lot of people don't realize that investing may help them increase their wealth over time. Fear of risk. People who are afraid of taking risks may not look into financial possibilities. On the other hand, completely avoiding risk might result in lost chances for wealth development and capital growth. Strategies for harnessing the power of investments. Invest in a variety of asset types, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and, if appropriate, alternative assets, to diversify your portfolio. Diversification increases the possibility of returns while assisting in risk management. Start early. Compounding works best when given enough time to do its magic. To optimize the long-term development of your savings, begin investing as soon as feasible. Learn the fundamentals of investing, such as the various investment vehicles, the significance of a well-balanced portfolio, and your tolerance for risk. Making wise investing selections in this field requires ongoing education. Lack of long-term financial planning. Short-term focus. Many people develop the bad habit of putting short-term enjoyment ahead of long-term financial preparation. This might show up as skipping investments, putting off retirement savings, and not coming up with a thorough financial strategy. Importance of long-term financial planning. To achieve financial independence, long-term financial planning is essential. It entails establishing objectives, drafting a roadmap, and periodically reviewing and modifying your financial plan to account for shifting priorities and changes in your life. Strategies for long-term financial planning. Establish retirement goals. Clearly state your retirement objectives, taking into account your intended lifestyle, your anticipated retirement age, and the probable cost of healthcare. Review and tweak your retirement savings strategy on a regular basis. Examine and update your financial plan. Since life is dynamic, any changes to your personal or financial situation should be reflected in your financial plan. To make sure your strategy is in line with your objectives, evaluate and update it on a regular basis. Seek professional guidance. Work with planners or financial advisors to create a thorough financial strategy that is customized to your unique goals and objectives. Overcoming scarcity mindset. Scarcity mindset versus abundance mindset. A scarcity mentality is the restrictive idea that opportunities are few and resources, particularly money, are few. This kind of thinking may result in fear-driven actions like hoarding cash, avoiding investments, and passing up chances for financial advancement. Cultivating an abundance mindset. Conversely, an abundant mentality is defined by the conviction that possibilities abound and that plenty can be generated by prudent choices and constructive deeds. People who cultivate this attitude may find new opportunities to generate riches. Strategies for overcoming scarcity mindset. Practice thankfulness. Make an effort to see the bright side of your financial circumstances and show your thankfulness for what you already have. Your financial choices might be favorably impacted by adopting an abundant attitude. Visualize success. You may overcome the constraints of a scarcity mentality by visualizing a prosperous future. Seeking long-term financial objectives may be motivated and confidently instilled via visualization. Be in the company of positive people. Assist those who have an abundant mentality. Their optimistic view may influence your own beliefs and attitudes about chances to obtain cash. Conclusion. It takes deliberate and smart money practices in addition to a high salary to achieve financial independence. People may clear the path to long-term financial well-being by recognizing and severing harmful practices. This thorough book has examined typical financial behaviors that might keep you impoverished and has provided doable solutions. Proactive action may result in financial freedom and independence. This includes resolving the income illusion, escaping the debt trap, controlling impulsive spending, and creating a long-term financial strategy. Recall that achieving financial success is a process rather than a goal. You may overcome financial obstacles and create a safe and profitable future by forming sound financial habits and never stopping learning. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.